Hey, hi, this is Manjuna Chandraya. Today's session will be learning how to convert the text file into a Excel file. So we are in the third session of the Power Query where we have a small bank statement data in a text format. Okay, so we can have the Raul's data in a text format. We need to format this into Excel using a Power Query. So let's start. Go to new Excel sheet. So I opened a new Excel sheet. Go to data. Okay, data, new query, file from the text, right? Need to format the text file. So I'm going to click on the from text, bank statement, take the Rahul's file, import. So now you can see this data, the Rahul's name here. So transfer the data. So we are trying to transfer it because we need to do some formatting, right? It's in one column only data. Before getting uploaded into Excel, we need to do some formatting. So for the reason we are using the transform data to a Power Query editor. So now it has gone to the Power Query editor, right? So let's say, so here from 7 we don't need the data. Okay, to remove those rows, remove rows, go to home, remove rows, top 7 rows. So 7 till 7 rows we don't need, just give it as 7 rows. Okay, that is gone. So this all in one column. So we need to we need to do a text to comment, text to format. Select the cell, go to split area. So before that we need to know what will be the difference between each column, right? As you can see the date, there is one line here, again description, again one. So we need to break, we can break it based on this uh, this as a one option. So you can go to split delimiter. So you can give that option, you can have that in the key in your keyboard, just select that option, click OK. Now this has been split. So as we know, this is the header. So we here on the top you can see column 1, column 2, column 3. So we need to create this row as the first row as the header column. Select this, go to that home, use first row as your header. When you click on this, automatically the top one will be your headers, and this line we don't need. So I'll go ahead and go to the drop down, unfilter it. Okay, that's gone now. So as you can see here, the description till here we have the data. Below it says null. So there is no data. This summary, withdrawal, deposit and closing balance we don't need. Just click here, click on uncheck the null option. Now we have only the data. So as you can see, these are the date format. It says ABC. ABC is the text format. So we need to change it to date format. Just click here, click on to date format. Now it has changed to date format here. So description is text format, let it be as ABC. So withdrawal is a number, so we need to change it to currency. It's in number format. So let's change it to currency dollar sign. So even for deposits, we'll change it to currency, and the balance running balance also changes to currency. So as you can see here, for the withdrawal and the deposits, we have the null. Null is nothing but that cell is a zero blank, so it's taken as null. We don't want to show it as null here. Let's change it to 0 here. I'm going to select these two cells, two columns by using a shift. You can use shift, hold shift and select these two columns, or you can hold control and select each column using your mouse. So I've selected these two. Go to replace. So here very importantly, it's in a small characters, caps. So you should put all that in a small, replace that to 0. So I'm using this replace values. So click OK. Now it has got changed to 0. But again, this has changed to number format. But we need to change it to the currency format. So I'm going to click on currency here, formatting currency. Basically, what we are doing is we are formatting each entire data. So when it's loaded into your to the Excel sheet, that it'll have all that what all the formatting we that have been done already. So once you're done, go to file. Under file, you can see this load and close and load. So click on close and load. Now the data got uploaded here. So let's open the text file. So we can see here opening balance $65,000, ending is 72,700. So as you can see, 72,700 is your ending balance. The data is picked here. So it's easy to get formatted using a text from text file to Excel file. I hope this session was helpful. Do let me know for any other thing. I'll try to create a video on it. And thank you for your time. Happy learning.